Welcome to our channel, Consult Kriba, enlightening and empowering exmpreneurs. We regularly share the exports opportunities for different products in different markets. In this video, we will see the key features of India and UAE Pact, signed on 18th of February 2022. To receive the latest updates on exports and exports opportunities, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive all the notifications. India and UAE had signed a comprehensive trade and economic pact on 18th of February 2022, which aims to boost bilateral trade to $100 billion in the next 5 years from $60 billion now. It will open a new market for the labor-intensive industries, such as apparel and textiles, agriculture, processed foods, including meat and marine products, gems and jewelry, leather and footwear, plastics, pharmaceuticals, etc., and creates as many as 10 lakh jobs in India. The FTA will allow goods from UAE, especially the famed dates of UAE, to enter India. Most of the Indian exports similarly will benefit from the zero tariffs that UAE is expected to grant. Around 90% of products expected from India to UAE will attract zero duty, 80% lines of trade will attract zero duty, and the remaining 20% do not affect our export much. This move will open new routes for Indian products in the UAE. India is giving tariff concession to UAE on gold, and UAE eliminating tariff on Indian jewelry. Having a large diaspora, the UAE consumes a large number of Indian cereals, fruits, and vegetables, tea, spices, sugar, etc. The trade for plastics between India and UAE is poised for multifold growth due to this pact, besides the creation of about 2 lakh jobs in this sector. Indian companies will gain services, like travel and tourism, transport, IT-enabled services, and construction services because of this agreement. The agreement provides for automatic registration and marketing authorization of Indian generic medicines in 90 days, once approved in any of the developed countries. This will augment very big market access to Indian medicines. Since the UAE functions as a trading hub, the agreement will help provide us market entry points to Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. The India-UAE Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, CEPA, will be extremely beneficial for MSMEs, startups, farmers, traders, and all sections of the business. If you like the video, hit the like button. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. To know more about us and our services, visit our website www.consultkriba.com.